This is Adventure Club Summer 2017. What form is it? Day one is going to be about ocean adventures and learning different things. There's a really fun science experiment about oil spills and how it affects the animals in the ocean. So you're going to begin the class first about just doing a saltwater experiment. The details are listed on there, and there's also different substances to use like baking soda and cornstarch and things just to kind of see how it affects them differently in the science experiment. Just make sure you're remembering to ask lots of questions to the students to help get them engaged. Remember, it's science. And then there's a book to read when you go to the oil spill part about, it's just called Oil Spill by Melvin Berger. So go ahead and read that. And then there's also a magic school bus on the ocean floor just to kind of get familiar with the ocean and what's in there. So feel free to read both of those. And then for the miniature ocean thing, they're going to another activity where they're going to put water and little stuff in the containers to kind of represent the ocean, and then you'll be adding oil in that too, so they can see how that all affects. So make sure you're reading and following through those directions and different things that the students can try to clean up the oil spills and see how that goes, just so they get a hands-on experience with that. And then just at the end, if you still need time, there's some funny fill-in ocean activities that they can do to work on if they're finishing up or need extra time to fill in the class. Day two is Wild West Adventures. This one you're going to kind of just set up with different stations for the kids. They are a roping activity, a tin can toss, make your own wanted poster, and then there's a sheriff badge kit that's coming from Oriental Trading, and a snake finger puppet, and then there's also some Western funny fill-ins and information to go along with that. For day three is Arctic Adventures. This is about Ted Harrison and his painting that he does. This isn't very good because it's in color, but we do have a link for you to click on for you to be able to go to be able to see a whole bunch of different colored versions of him. So make sure you get the site's Chromebook and iPad. You'll actually need that for day three and day four. So then there's also a YouTube video that you'll watch to be able to make some of his designs. There's so many of them. I thought it would be just easier for the kids to, because once you have the images up, you can just leave them up on the screen for them to look at to give them ideas of what they would like to make for their landscape. Day four is just going to kind of be a fun, it's Friday, a quick make and take day, so they'll be learning different formations of liquids, and they are going to be making like a goo with that, so the directions are in there for that. And the other one is just forming paper, so there's directions for that activity as well.